Hello, welcome Simon Shield Cars. Lovely bright day here in Suffolk, and today we're going to show you a car we took in part exchange. So this is a 2013 on a 13 plate. It's a Polo 1.2 TSI R-line 5-door. So being an R-line, pretty car. It's got all the sporty body kit on it, sporty seats in it, we'll show you all that in a moment. And this has got the 105 brake horsepower TSI engine, so it goes really well too. Lovely little 1.2 petrol. Now, mileage, 107,800 miles. We don't normally retail a car at this mileage, but this has been looked after beautifully. You'd never know it had done the miles. Paintwork's all lovely, interior is lovely. It's got a full service history with it. Let's show you around, but don't be put off with the mileage. This is a lovely car, and obviously because of that, it's very good value for money. So as you can see, the front here, we've got the R-line badge there. We've got the deeper front spoiler here. Fog lights built in as well. Got the R-line alloy wheels here, which I think are 16 inch. I'll just make sure they are 16 inch. Okay, so down under here we've got spare wheel, tools, locking wheel stud, everything that you'd expect. Proper size spare wheel in this one as well. Okay, just looking down this side, all in good order. It's got the odd little stone chip and mark on it, but for the mileage you would never ever know. Let's have a look inside. Nice R-line upholstery, so two-tone black and grey, and these are actually an Alcantara suede type insert in the seats as well. Okay, so if we just look on the door here, we've got 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, heated. As you can see, the sporty seats here with the R-line logo. I think it's up on the headrest, can't quite see around the corner. Yeah. Right, so we've got the lovely sporty R-line steering wheel here, so all leather and flat bottom with the R-line symbol on it as well. While I'm thinking up here as well, across here, it's had added a Parrot Bluetooth system, which is built in as well. Coming across into the middle here, screen for the radio and CD obviously, and then we've got air conditioning in here as well, and 6-speed gearbox. Down here, I think I'm just looking to see, yeah, we've got the auxiliary connection down there as well. Okay, just remembered as well, we do have DAB radio in this also. Right, let's just show you under the bonnet. So, clean and tidy under here. As I said, 1.2 litre TSI engine, so got a turbocharger on this, 105 brake horsepower, drives really well this car. Pulls well. Still good on fuel, lovely little petrol engine, great little car this. As I said, don't be put off by the mileage, it's lovely. Right, so let's just run through that again. 2013 on a 13 plate, Polo 1.2 TSI R-line 5-door pepper grey metallic, full service history, done 107,800 miles. Please do have a look at all the still photographs. We photograph all the service history as well. It's all on the website, simonshieldcars.co.uk, or alternatively give me a call for more information. It's Simon Shield and it's 01473 658 091. Thank you for watching.